Good afternoon, dear student. Today we are going to study about the three orders. Basically, the chapter is about feudalism. This is an important chapter of history for class 11th. Even in higher classes or even in competitive examination, when you will opt history as your optional subject, feudalism will be an important topic to study. Okay, so basically today we will study about feudalism and what these three orders were. Actually, after the decline of Roman Empire, okay, there was no political force which could keep the entire Europe united. Okay, Roman Empire declined because of the tribal attacks which came from Germanic origin. Okay, these tribes attacked repeatedly Eastern Roman Empire, and the Roman Empire came to an end. And then these tribal forces actually occupied France, Italy, Germany. Okay, so what happened after the decline of Roman Empire? The trade and commerce declined. Okay, because there was always threat on the road. You trade when you are assured of the protected life. Okay, so when there was no protection on road and there were tribal attacks, the trade and commerce declined. And once trade and commerce declined, then the manufacturing process automatically declined. तो जो चीजें बनाते थे वो बनाएंगे क्यों जब बिकेगा ही नहीं. तो gradually the land became the main source of earning. What became the main source of earning? Land. And even the king also, for king, the cash income declined because the king used to collect taxes from trade and from manufacturing. Both had declined. So the cash income when declined, it became very difficult for the king to pay salary to their officials. So what he started doing, he started paying their servants, their officers in terms of land, which was called fief. Okay, and this feature started from 9th and remained till 16th century. Okay, so during this period, the social relationship was based or guided by the fact of having control over land. Okay, maximum control over land. Okay, so the payment was given in terms of land. An area was given to the lord, and he was asked to collect taxes from the peasants over there and maintain a regular army and also maintain a law and order in that area. So when that army he was to maintain to keep law and order intact, and in case of need he was supposed to help the king with that soldiers. So the same thing now the lord started doing with lesser lords. So there was a graded society on which at the top was the king. So here there were many lords who were called vassals. These lords were called vassals, and the land they hold was called fief. Okay, and below that there were more smaller lords, and then at the lowest end were the peasants who actually cultivated the land. So feudalism was a social, political, economic relationship which was based on the control of land, and it remained the central feature of medieval Europe from 9th to 16th century. So because of feudalism, the society was divided into three order. First order was that of clergy. Clergy means priestly class. Even church also became a landholder. The rulers gave grant of land to church. So church was also a big landholder in medieval Europe, particularly in France. The second order was that of nobility. It was landholding nobility, and they were the different kinds of lords. Okay. And the third order was that of peasantry, that is the farmers, and they cultivated the land for the Lord. Okay, thank you, please.